Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the child of constraint in Blender 3.3. Let's get started. Okay, so here I have my robotic rigged arm, which tries to grab this object and put it in the box. But it simply can't grab because the ball is not coming with it. This is where we need the child of constraint. So let's start. Okay, so this is our robotic arm. So now let's go to the ball. So now let's find the grab of this robotic arm. So which frame it grabs the ball. So I'm just gonna play through it. And this is where it grabs. So what I'm gonna do is to go a frame backwards and then go here to the constraints tab and then add a child of constraint. Okay, so now we need a target or it doesn't know where to clip onto. So I'm just going to set the target to circle 5 that we have here. Okay, so when you do this, if the ball goes anywhere unexpected, just click set inverse. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the influence to 0. What the influence does is to determine whether the child of constraint is on or off. So I want it off in the start. So I'm just going to keyframe it by clicking this button. Now I'm going to go a bit up by clicking the right arrow and set the influence to 1, which means on. So now when we grab this object, it comes with the robotic arm. Now we have the half of our animation, but we want it to release. It doesn't, it simply can't. This is when we have to turn it off. So I'm just going to find when it releases the ball. In frame 261, probably. Yeah, I'm going to go 1 back and then go N. So now I'm just going to go to item and then go to the transforms panel and then I location and rotation. And now I'm just going to animate influence as 1 as well. So I want it to be on in the middle section. Now I'm just going to go 1 up, so it's 261. So now we want to apply the transforms, so to determine where the object is in the scene. So I'm going to go object, apply, and then go visual transform. So now you'll see the ball is going way farther than I expected. So to fix this, I'll just go to the influence and set it to 0. Now remember to go to location and do I on both. So now our location is set. And then the robotic arm can move freely. So now I'll just animate this. So I'm just going to go to 276 or 275 and then move it downwards in a bit of an angle. I'm going to go I as well. And now I'm just going to go down as well, and then move it a bit, and then go I. So you'll be wondering, when you click I, a huge menu pops up. Why is that? That's because I went to keying and set the active keying set to location and rotation. So it'll already go location and rotation. If we put this to none, the menu pops up and you have to manually do it. But this is much easier. So now we have our animation, so let's test it out. So I'm just going to go here, and then the arm picks it up. And then the ball goes with it. And then the ball drops, and the arm moves freely. Thanks guys for watching. See you later.